So quickly, I'm going to run a test between these three. The flagship of this year for iPhone, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the Redmagic 10 Pro. The 11 is already out, and this is the iPhone 16. Video exporting and CapCut. We're going to do some benchmark also in this series, and let's see how it goes. You ready? Let's jump in. To keep the test fair, I'm going to turn off the adaptive power mode on the iPhones. The last time I did this test between iPhone 16 Pro and the Redmagic one, it was a 4K test. Some of you said that you don't do 4K export on CapCut. So we're going to turn off all those CapCut extra effects here, and we're going to do 1080 video. It's a 90-second video shot on 4K on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and we're exporting it as 1080p on CapCut. So that's what most people who use CapCut do. So who's going to be the winner? It's very close. It's very close. It's very close. Who's going to be the winner? And I might have to freeze the frame here to show you. Yes, it is the Redmagic 10 Pro that still won it, but kind of insignificant, so I'll call it a draw. But iPhone and the iPhones were just the same. So you asked about the file size after export last time: 144 MB for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, 131 MB for the iPhone 16 Pro, and 110 for that of the Redmagic 10 Pro. So that is it. So let me hear from you in the comment section. And make sure you like, share, follow, and subscribe till I see you in the next video. It is peace.